Hey you, it's Jess here and I am going to be doing my July kit lineup. Apologies that I haven't had a lot of videos through June, but and you won't be seeing those spreads because I was doing them through the weeks. But I will be back into doing spreads for July, so you'll be seeing these ones. But we'll see how we go. I'm just taking it slow right now. But I haven't actually done my monthly yet, so I can show you my monthly kit. I just keep it here. This is a Printpression B6, and they sell they're called sticker pockets, or basically like the B6 size sticker pouches that you can fit whole kits in. But I fit caress press this. I always do it this way because it sticks out a little bit on the side here. So if anything is going to get bent, it's just the color top. But then Scribble Prints Co perfectly fits inside. But the monthlies don't, so I always just put them in this pocket once I receive them, and I just plan the month with them. But I'm using this one from Caress Press, which is the seaside art from Silly Studio. Very beautiful, so I'm looking forward to that in my July. But let's start with July 3rd to the 9th. I feel like a lot of people are going to be using this as like an alternative July 4th kit. Obviously, I'm not American, so I'm not celebrating that. I just wanted to use this. It's really beautiful. It's art by Sadie Piper. This month is pretty much just me and Sadie. Just me and Sadie, so I just adore her art. So had to use this one. I love the colors. I love the water park theme. I won't be going to water park. It's just not really up my alley. Public swimming, but I think it's a really beautiful kit. And I don't really match my kits to everything that I do. Sometimes it depends on the event, but for summer, I just like general summer. And summer is definitely here. You'll probably hear fans through the in the background of my videos for the next couple of months because the heat is here finally in Finland. So yeah, but I'm feeling these spreads coming up. But I'm gonna pair this with silver because I have this summertime foil bundle in silver from Caress Press. I think I've seen a few people using this as well with this kit because it has like the bikinis, sun thongs, as we call them in Australia, the flip-flops in America, sunscreen hats, palm trees, just super cute. And this one has the tulip. This is the new format. I love like the little suns throughout the glitter headers. So cute. The rest is standard. And I chose silver because I had these Plan With Me sticker quotes in silver. I was going to use these on a spread in June, but it wasn't quite summer yet then. It was still fairly cold, so I decided to use it here, and I'll probably use like Yay It's Summer or Sunshine on My Mind or something like that. Probably not the Hello Summer because that was pretty much the other week. But well, I still kind of go off the calendar of in Australia we say summers would be the first of the first month of the 3 blocks of a season. So for me, June 1st was the first day of summer, but now I'm just going to use that quote box here because I think it'll be cute. And then for July 10th to the 16th, I am using, and I'm so excited, my lemonade art from SPC. I was just so happy with how this art came out. It was the mix of lemons, summer, and like vintage arcade video store kind of feeling, and I'm just so happy with how it came out. Did I buy a second one? I feel like I should go and buy a second one of these. I might have bought it. I don't know. I'm just gonna go add it to my cart, honestly, because I'm really excited to use this. I was really happy with this art, and I think it'll be the perfect little leeway into the rest of the month. But it's so bright and happy, I can't wait. And it contrasts well with the water park one the previous week. And I'm using Plan With Me stickers foil. I'm going to do a minimal foil thing with this because I feel like it's fairly busy art. But she has the pink tie-dye with the orange, and it matches perfectly with this set. So I got these positive quote overlays volume 7. There's always be kind, do what brings you joy, dream big, never give up, never stop looking up. I don't know which one I'm going to use, or multiple, but we'll see. I have those. Then I got the Happy Daisies 15mm. And I just have these because I'm going to sprinkle in the headers that come with it as well through the spread. And then I have the Bougie boxes, which is just a scattered dot. I had to trim these for them to fit into the pocket, but this is also in the pink tie-dye, so it'll be nice subtle addition, because you know I'm not really a fun-delay girly, but lots of options these days. And I've been seeing some great spreads with this art already, so I'm super excited to do mine, and I just love this foil pairing with it. Then July 17th to the 23rd, it is Life in Plastic, my Barbie movie art. And I got tickets already for July 20th. I was going to see it later and not like the day it comes out here, but the day that it comes out here is the only day it's going to be on the biggest screen here. I assume Oppenheimer is going to take the big screen afterwards. And I really wanted to see on the big screen. It's called iSense here. So I bought tickets for that, for the opening night, because I wanted to see it big. And so that's July 20th. So I've put it here. I was going to have it the next week because that's when I wanted to go a week later, but here we are. I'm gonna see Barbie then. I'll probably see Oppenheimer too, but yeah, so I had to use it for this time. So this is the set. I have some movie references as well as just Barbie stuff. Of course, I had to add a whole bunch of diverse girls because that's what Barbie is all about, especially with this movie. I'll have plenty of selections of boxes to choose from. I'm gonna have to, let me have a look at the bottom washi, because since I color block, this might be a problem because the movie is on Thursday. I think that's the 20th. And yeah, I don't have a movie marquee in this blue. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Although technically I can just have this as the lone pink on the blue day because it is for the Barbie movie. And I just remembered, before we go into the foil, let me get out my license section because I have a freebie. It was like Andrea's birthday freebie. Is it in my license section? Because her freebie for her birthday has a little Barbie. You can see here, so it'll be perfect to put in. I also have a script. I've already taken it out, but from Plan With Me stickers, she had like custom script pages where you could just use like 1 or 2 scripts, and I've got Barbie here. I didn't get Oppenheimer, so I'll probably have to order that, but and put it in later. But I should include this because I'm going to use that little Barbie sticker for when I see the movie, but I think I can use the pink movie marquee and be happy with it. So because of the foils that I got originally and then what came out, I decided to mix Sparkly Hollow with pink. So I brought out some Sparkly Hollow bits because this is the first bit that I bought for this spread, which was from Planet Pixie Co. It's Life in Plastic. I think I'll probably use this one. Life in Plastic is fantastic, maybe. Or I'm a Barbie on a Barbie world, but I just really liked these quotes. And then Alicia Craft brought out a doll collection, and I had to get this bottom washi. It's so fun, the Barbie can. And then I got some of the deco bits, so I thought I could do some bigger bits on the full boxes. And then I got the hole reinforcers and the glitter headers that I'll just sprinkle about because it's not enough, obviously. And then I thought to bring in a bit more of the Sparkly Hollow, I've got the toolbox here from SPC. So I thought I could do a toolbox over, obviously I'm going to use the one with her in the roller skates, but then I could probably put like this Barbie logo on it or something to bring in the pink with it. And then I have these bow boxes from Caress Press. Like they're really cute bows. I thought I could, you know, level out some of the pink with that. And then I think I might use the confetti from this or even the bow. We'll see which one I go through with that. And then overall I have a pink bundle here from, this is like magenta I think, from SPC. So I can use these as a sort of, this is confetti, so it's just sort of a standard one. But we've got pink fonts and icons. Probably won't use much of this page except probably the date numbers and the dots. I don't know, we'll see. But I can bring in this confetti as well. We're going to mix and match. It isn't a perfect match with this pink, but I think with all the pinks together, it's going to look cute with the, plus the additional sparkly hollow. Just super bright and fun. And yeah, I just couldn't pass up the Barbie Ken stuff. So that's what I'm using for the week of the movie. And then for the last week of July that I'm going to show, the rest we'll put into August. This is July 24th through the 30th. And this is Legally Fabulous. So I thought I'd continue on with the pink movie theme. This is from Caress Press. Yeah, it's a Legally Blonde one. I do love Legally Blonde. So I've been trying to figure out yeah, how else. I want to put it, basically I'm going to pick and choose some of these full boxes because I want to make it mostly the pink boxes, but I can't put up this color palette. It's just so beautiful. See, I can bring this box in, but there's a few boxes I probably don't want to use, to be honest. I want to make it as pink as possible, like the Barbie kit. But it's beautiful art by Sadie Piper. Love this. I love that it's a purple laptop. I always wanted one of these. So yeah, I want to try and, I don't want to use this. Maybe not that one. It's hard to pick, but I picked that to go with it. Usually if I don't have a toolbox, I need 10. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to have to choose 2 of these, I guess. It's going to be difficult. Oh, I'll just use the bruiser one and I'll use the what like it's hard. Although I did, I have to decide here because I did pick up, I'm going to use silver foil with this as well. And my main thing is I'm going to use this Scribble Prints Co. Luxe foil bundle. So it's just like that. It's an older version, but I have plenty of silver scripts and whatnot. But I did want to make the luxe a bit less, so I've got it a different confetti, the sparkle one, and I might actually use this blossom one instead of that bottom because it brings a little bit extra prettiness. Then I have some different confetti overlays just from Caress Press, as well as some boxes so they're not all luxe. And then I do have this quote box from SBC with what like it's hard, so but if I'm going to use this box what like it's hard, then maybe I won't use this overlay, but we'll see. Yeah, I just wanted to bring out more of the pinks rather than what's going on in the school background, but we will see. I'll make it work. And and I just really love it because I love the movie, but also it's sort of like a throwback to me doing my own degree. And you know, like the what like it's hard was definitely, it was hard, but you know, we gotta be like Elle and have self-confidence. But those are my July kits. I think it's been a really fun, bright, colorful, and very pink actually. Once you get past the water park, although there's a nice magenta pink in this, like a purpley pink. But yeah, once we get into the pinks, which I'm really happy about, we got a super pink July. But yeah, so that is my lineup. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to comment down below and subscribe. Are we twinning any week? Probably July 3rd for a few people, but otherwise let me know. And are you seeing Barbie? Do you have tickets yet? I don't know if they're out everywhere. But But yeah, our ticket sales came out, so I had to snap some up. But are you excited for the Barbie movie? It looks so good. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful month, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.